Have you ever wondered how much time and manpower it might taken have to manually draft and design the world's highest building, Burj Khalifa? Software these days have decreased a ton of hours and hundreds of the manpower put into the design and analysis of the structures. Here in this video, we are going to explore the latest softwares which are being used in the current construction industry. To start with, any construction project requires the basic drafting of the plans at its initial stages. AutoCAD is the software which is fulfilling the drafting needs all over the world. It is being used in the wide range of industries. StatPro by Bentley Systems, ETABS and SAP 2000 by CSI, and Tekla Structures by Tekla are the softwares which are recommended by the many civil engineering professionals for the structural analysis and design. Here I will recommend the ETABS and SAP 2000 by CSI because these softwares gives quick modeling and applications of the lateral loads. For construction management and planning, software like Primavera and MS Project are used. Primavera is an ERP software and offers best of its class solutions for planning, scheduling, and managing the huge projects. And when it comes to 3D modeling, animations, and rendering, 3D Max and Maya, worked well by the Autodesk, can be used. One other software used for 3D modeling, interior design, and landscape architecture is Google SketchUp. MX Road is another software developed by the Bentley Systems, which is enabling 3D modeling and analysis of the roads. For efficient planning of the urban transport infrastructure, Vism software developed by the PTP Group is being used. GeoStudio is used for analyzing slope stability, groundwater seepage, stress deformations, and all other geotechnical related modeling and calculations. Other softwares which are used in geotechnical engineering are Plexis, which is recently acquired by the Bentley System, and Geo5, which is used for the excavation design, shallow and deep foundation design. MS Excel is a versatile software used for almost all applications and subdisciplines of the civil engineering and construction. So make sure that your system has got MS Office installed in it before installing any other softwares. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and press the bell icon to not miss any video.